was more chances in Elvis and Swansea today in the Premier League. Swansea, of course, finished in the table in the first season in the top tier, but Rodgers remains coy whether he will be putting on his blue shoes.
Let's get a bit closer, so
Like this. I don't know what one you gave to me.
None of them.
No, did it wrong here. God, I can't do nothing to one of these. So give me something.
This crash caused by Lucas Hyder looking around his corner going into the back of another rider.
Never give me one.
That crash also took out BNC
Bring the thing out here.
after stage 3 of the Giro. It really wasn't his day
Now.
shortly after that crash. He was hit by the winner. The team radio shout past. Sky Train assessing another win for Cavendish, who beat Matt Dawson. Daniel Bonatti to the line, Lithuanian rider. Ramonas Navadas retains the leaders.
Oh, with my hand. Yeah, fucking cool.
Holly.
No, you don't have none of them. Look, the Georges, you can't have them.
Oh, with my hand.
Now, tonight's racing at Calso has been abandoned due to heavy rain. Tomorrow's race meeting at Bristol will also be abandoned. In today's racing, the Nick Out held off Neville's Pupil and
Only for nail.
I got my knives.
Only two. Yeah, how many?
Sorry.
Wayne Rooney taking on in his many days, Conway was involved in the internal main stage through Brother John and teammate Michael Owen attended the meeting.
Sorry, love.
Don't do that.
Inside, he's comfortably placed on the inside win by half a length. My place later was taken with more for third.
All the day swabbing headlines coming up next. Team shining in the States in the official fifth match of golf.
Oh, with my hair back and down. Oh, with my... Come on, come on.